With the development and innovation of technology, electric vehicles have become more than just a means of transportation. They have evolved into mobile technological commodities. End users demanding and defining the requirements to the vehicle producers. USI specializes in the research and development of precision electronics for electric vehicles, spanning from power propulsion and intelligent systems to interconnected communication, making more possibilities come to life. USI has been a trusted partner for automotive customers for over 4 decades, supplying power electronics for numerous vehicle applications, from visual, comfort and driving, thermal and powertrain areas. Successfully leveraging our thick-film microelectronic technology, we have developed our competence and learned from our customers, successfully delivering automotive electronic modules and controllers globally. As the EV auto sector exponentially grows, we are focused on 3 new key areas that the sector demands: electrification, intelligence, and connectivity. Electrification, as an example, as the market shifts from traditional ICE to EVs, it's an opportunity to work with our current and our new customers to support the technology trends, such as electrified powertrain, including onboard chargers, thermal cooling, wireless battery management systems. As the market shifts into more advanced requirements, such as higher voltage solutions, we also continue to push for our advanced technologies and provide solutions our customers want, all allowing USI to leverage our SiC and our GaN inverter modules, also our miniaturization and our wireless technologies to deliver the state-of-the-art solutions.
Amid the thriving progress of advanced driver assistance systems, we are collaborating with multiple automotive system chip solution providers. Leveraging years of expertise in system-in-package and system-on-module modules, we are scaling down automotive computational modules to enhance computing speeds, thereby aiding brand automaker and Tier 1 suppliers in accelerating the development of smart cockpit systems. In this way, the module can enhance the functions of driving and parking assistance, blind spot detection, and interior control to bring a safer and more convenient driving experiences to every car owner.
Through the capabilities of the NET SiC module, drivers can quickly connect to external devices, cloud services, and the internet. Whether it's for real-time road conditions, voice-assisted control, or software updates, ensuring that the smart cockpit is always up to date with the latest services and the features. By integrating fully autonomous driving technology, drivers and the passengers will be able to engage in office work, meetings, multimedia entertainment, and other activities within the vehicle cabin. The smart cockpit will become a versatile center for smart office and entertainment.
Behind all these monumental shifts is a powerhouse of innovation. At USI's cutting-edge R&D centers, our dedication for decades is paving the way for vehicles that not only respond to the driver's commands, but anticipate their needs. Our agility is our strategic advantage, enabling us to swiftly capitalize on emerging prospects such as ADAS, domain controllers, and advanced lighting solutions. It also enables us to swiftly adapt to ever-changing landscapes and infuse innovation into the lives of every driver. In this electric vehicle revolution journey, choose expertise, choose excellence, choose USI.